Oh yeah, it's time. It's time. I don't even know if it's working yet, but we'll just assume it is. It's time for stormy weather. We got thunderstorm warning, we got tornado watch, we got 70-mile-an-hour winds. So here it comes. Let's see what happens. So far we just have some wind. I'm actually headed south from Saylorville Township so I can go around some road construction. And then see what it looks like over this hill. Oh my. We need some window cleaning going on here. That's not cool. I haven't drove this car for a while, so I apologize for the dirty window. Oh, look at that storm coming in. Look at it coming in. We are on the edge of it, so we will see where we end up. Should make it home before it hits, but I'm not sure. Definitely getting wind. Don't think I'm getting any rain yet. I think that's from me washing my window. You can tell rush hour is happening a little earlier. I think people try to get off work and beat the storm. Let's adjust our angle a little bit here. I guess we don't really need to see the hood of the car. Stuck here. This is a fun intersection though, because everybody's trying to get around everybody due to the road construction. Oh, this is going to be a great shot when I turn left here. Just telling you right now. The sky looks pretty wicked, and it is cranking. Not seeing anything dipping down anywhere though, so that's good. There is some crazy clouds though. Come on, light. Here goes. Come on. Come on. If people would use their signal. With you. We can hold our lanes. There we go. Look at those clouds. It's good stuff. You know when this road's backed up all the way to here, there is some traffic. That sky is the definition of ominous. I am currently headed north into Ankeny on 2nd Avenue. Yeah, this storm may go around us depending on who us is, if you know what I mean. So I'm south of Ankeny, north of Des Moines. I have no rain yet. But according to the radar, it's just northwest of me a bit and gonna hit the corner of Ankeny, I'm guessing. Just not sure yet. Look at that sky. You can even see it on the phone. You can see the green up there. which is usually hail, meaning that there's an updraft pulling the water back up and freezing it, which means higher potential for tornado because you've got wind going two different directions. So we shall see. I'm also not sure. Let's see, temperature says 84 where I'm at. I'm guessing on the other side of the storm it's a lot colder, the backside, which is also why you have the threat of tornadoes. This threat is also continued through 10 p.m., which there is another storm cell coming behind this one. I'd have to look at the radar again. It looked about 45 minutes behind this one. It's definitely, you can feel the vibe in the rush hour. People are trying to beat it. Greeny over there. See it. You'll see when I turn right up here, headed east, you'll see the edge of the storm and everything dropping. Little pieces here and there. Oh, it's just messy clouds. No tornadoes at this point. I know there's no tornado warning. It's all a watch right now. Oh yeah, that looks sweet over there. Let's see if you guys can see it. You can see it from there. Oh, we got some lightning. Got some lightning to the northwest. Yeah, that looks nice over there. The sun shining down behind it. Okay, why did this guy get into this lane, turn his turn signal, and then not go into it? I don't know what he's doing. That was weird. He changed his mind or something. We got the windmill cranking at DMAC, that's for sure. More lightning to the northwest. Just starting to get a little water. It is so funny. People drive different in a storm. Now you can see there's the edge of the storm to the east. It's the northeast that looks the coolest right now. I guess all the way along the storm front, even to the south. It's pretty cool. There's definitely multiple layers of the clouds. Still green up there in the north. Flags are blowing to the east, which is probably good. It's just crazy to look around and you look at one cloud, it's going one way, you look another way, the cloud's going another way. Flags are going one way. Just makes you on alert. It's saying 70 mile an hour winds at least. Definitely some stuff blowing around already. Getting some rain. We're now on the south side of Ankeny. On Ore Labor. Coming up to Ankeny Boulevard. Headed east. I knew I shouldn't have driven my motorcycle. I knew the storm was going to hit right at 5. I almost chanced it, but everything kept saying 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Oh, there's guys roofing over here to my right. They're cranking. They are laying down the shingles and nailing them down quick, man. Wish I could get a shot of it for you, but they are cranking. They're like right at the end, right at the peak. Got rain. We've got rain. So rain is not missing us. And traffic is heavy. I'm telling you, the vibe is definitely, here comes the storm. People are going a little quicker. They're a little testier. You can just tell. It's about to hit, because if I look behind me, I see no definition of the clouds. It just looks like a big single colored. Look ahead of you, you can see all the different colors and the layers and the texture. Look behind you, no, all the same. Just one big wall of I don't know what. Rain and wind. I was hoping to get the drone out, but it's gonna be too wet. Unless it slides north a little bit. Lightning, 4.9 miles. Just got an alert. We're definitely getting rain now. We are now headed north on Ankeny Boulevard, right by Cafe DM, DMAC. Light rain. Oh, it's picking up. Shows you how long it's been since I drove this car. The wipers are squeaking. They're all dry. Still no major wind yet. We had I mean, the flags are blowing. They're blowing to the east. But, I mean, it's not like debris flying all over the place or anything yet. And if we stay south of it, we might not see that wind. I want to know why the comments don't auto-scroll. Oh, squeaky windshield wiper annoys me. It's been sitting for like 2 or 3 months, so just needs new wipers probably. Rain's backing off a little bit. Backing off a little bit. Still seeing lots of lightning. Now it's picking up. Ooh, look at that. You gotta see that. Yeah, look at that Mustang. That's more important than Storm. Beautiful red GT Mustang. I cannot stand noises in cars, and my car right now is making like 10 different noises since it's come back from the shop. Oh yeah, here comes the rain. Oh yeah, full wipers. Full wipers, and I'm almost stopped. Okay, we're headed east. I don't know the name of this street. Peterson. Woo! Full downpour. Here's under a tree. Done. And then fuller downpour. Oh, this poor person getting out of their car. We'll stay back. Full wipers. Woo! Well, we didn't miss it. Still doesn't seem very windy though. I'm stopped. I'm currently stopped at a stop sign. That's how much rain there is. That flag's blowing northish. That's not east like the others. Well, I'm just really glad I didn't drive my motorcycle. Uh-oh, the garage door is flashing. I think somebody tried to close it and there was something in the way. Alright, there you go. Well, good luck out there, everybody. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Let's see if we can get inside. That'll be fun. I'm stuck outside. Let's see, my backpack is in the back. I mean, look at the water. My backpack, let's see. Let's grab my backpack. I mean, my backpack's waterproof, and my phone is waterproof, and my watch is waterproof. Do I get out? That's the question. Do it for the vine. Woo! My headlights are on. Okay, car's locked. Here we go. Woo! It just pours into your face, but we made it. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know if there's any tornadoes or anything. We'll have fun. But for now, just rain.